Alright traders, welcome to this particular video. This video is an introduction to Bybit exchange platform. What exactly is an exchange platform? From the word exchange, is simply a platform that allows users to exchange their assets for another, or to exchange their cryptocurrencies for another. But then aside from that, there is also an interesting aspect to the exchange platform. It has the trading aspect, it has the wallet, and it also has the investment aspect of it. There are so many activities that happens in an exchange platform. So Bybit is by far one of the best among all the exchange platforms, and the reason why I'm making this video is to just give you an overview of how Bybit looks like. Now, if you're using a mobile phone or you're using a PC, you would have access to install Bybit on your device. It's quite very easy. If you have an Android phone, you can simply go to Google Play Store and search for bybit.com. After you have registered with my link in the description of this video, install the app on your device. Or you can simply go on Google and search for Bybit for computer. This is quite easy and straightforward. Once you search for that, now for those of you who might find yourself in regions like Nigeria does not allow Bybit to go on the web platform. So what you do is that you can use a VPN, and then you'll be able to click on this and then you will install it on your computer. But for the Google Play Store, it's going to work straightforward, but for computer, it's going to be quite easy. And for those of you who are using a MacBook, all you have to do is to go to your App Store right here and then search for Bybit. You're going to see it right here. Bybit, that's the exchange platform. And here it is. Then go ahead and install it on your device and you will have access to it. Now, for those of you who have trouble getting on it on the web page, you would be able to use it on the app and it's perfectly fine. So once you come to Bybit, this is what you're going to see, and it's straightforward. Nothing is difficult here. The first thing is that you're going to be welcomed by these amazing windows. So right here on the first section, you're going to see that you have things like the invite, the reward hub, deposit, and whatever. These are the things you're going to see, and a very quick display of what is happening on the spot markets and the derivative market. The spot market is basically where people get possession of assets, and the derivative is basically where people trade based on the fluctuating value of that particular asset. I'm going to go deeply into that subsequently, but then just to give you an overview. By your left hand side, you're going to see that you have where your asset is displayed. I have my asset displayed on a stable coin. A stable coin simply means that it does not fluctuate. Price is pegged with the dollar. Most of the time, a stable coin is pegged directly with the dollar. Now, right here on the top left hand side, also this particular icon, click on it. And you're going to have access to where all your details are. You are supposed to verify your Bybit account. Once you're registered under me with my link, you are also going to have access to my free signal community where I'll be providing signals consistently for you to make money in the crypto market. This is the platform right here. All right. So you're going to have access direct to it. We have a list of crypto assets we trade, and then you will be guided on how to trade it. This is a complete course. So make sure you watch it to the end. So right here, you get verified, but you have to register with my link to get access into the community. Once you click on that, you're going to come here. Let me show you how I came here. Come to where you see settings. You're going to see exactly on your app. Click on it. And then you will see affiliated with. You're going to see my name. If my name is not there, don't worry. There is a video I've made specifically on how you can change that to be my name. That is called identity transfer. So right here, you can literally see that you have all the details here. You have your verified ID. You have everything well said. Now, this thing called UID, if you registered with my link, there is something called UID, that is user identity number. You copy this number and send me in the comment of this video, or you can simply send it to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact is right in the description of this video, and also you can reach me on Telegram. Everything is there. Just send me this number, I will confirm, and I will add you to that group where you can make money from my signal. So right here is perfectly the dashboard. So total assets, let's start from this place down here. It's important. All these other ones is just display of all the ads that are going on and the activities going on Bybit. But here is going to be one of the places you would love to be. Home is, this is the home page. All right. You see exchange and then the home page. Right here is the markets. The markets is where people buy and sell. And that is as simple as that. You see, we have BTC, USD, Ethereum, USD, all the cryptocurrencies that are of importance. And right here, you can see the price and then the 24-hour percentage change. That is to tell you that within the 24 hours, there is a percentage change in the price of that particular asset. Of course, cryptocurrencies are volatile, and then all other assets are volatile. You have to know what you're doing before you can make money in the market, but it can be learned. So you see the prices right here. The ones displayed in red is that they are falling in price, or they are going lower than their initial price within the last 24 hours. So the ones on green, they are soaring up. They are making more money on it. So right here, you see trades. This place, I'm going to come here specifically and teach you how to use this particular place. And this is where the wonders is going to be happening. I will show you where to take a trade and where to exit a particular trade under the trade aspect. Now, under earn is basically where you can do different type of activities, such as investing in the liquidity pool, investing in liquidity farming, investing in different kinds of flexible savings, fixed savings, and different types of savings. This is totally different. The reason for this video is to just give you an overview. I'm not going to go into teaching of flexible savings. You can find that on YouTube. We'll finally go to the derivative market, where we will be taking the type of trade I want to teach you specifically. This is just an introduction. So if you come to assets here, now there are basically few ways you can send in money to an exchange platform. Please listen. Few ways you can send in money to an exchange platform. An exchange platform allows you to send in money or to deposit money through different ways according to how your country allows you. Now, aside from that, you can also withdraw your money, you can also transfer, you can also convert your money. You can see 4 options here. Now, right here, you can see I have funding account and I have some money in there. Funding is where I have some money, and then spot account, I have money, derivatives account, I have some money. So this funding account is basically where the money I have deposited initially will be hosted. It will be there immediately I send in money. I will show you how money is sent into an exchange platform. Secondly is the spot wallet or the spot account. The spot account is basically, if, let's say for example, I purchased BTC and the current price of BTC is $50,000 per 1 BTC, is going to be reflected on that spot. This is where your possession is reflected. And then the derivative market is where we will be using our intelligence to be able to take trades, whether to go bullish or bearish. Bullish and bearish simply means we make money when the price of an asset goes up or it comes down. While on spot, you have possession of it. If it goes down, you lose money. If it goes up, you make money. So the difference is that on spot, if you are in possession of anything, if the price goes up, you make money. If the price comes down, you lose money. So on derivative is basically where you trade just like you're trading in the forex market. Is exactly the same. And you can literally see that we also have an MT5. So if you don't want to trade on this platform, you can trade on MT5. I will show you in another video how to trade on MT5 right here. You see, this is MT5. The same way you're trading forex market, you can trade in the crypto market exactly the same. Here, look at this. Let me go into that. This is my Bybit account. You can see Bybit even have currencies. They have currencies. You can literally use Bybit as your broker. See the price action, see the spread. So for those of you who want to trade with Bybit as a broker, you have all the assets. You see them. Let me go to quotes. You see them? All the quartz currencies are here. You can take trade right here, right here. I'm going to show you when I come to the MT5 section of this course. But I just want you to know that you can use Bybit as a broker. All right. So right here, the next thing I want to show you is, let's come to deposit. Boom. Click on deposit. If you click on deposit, there are different sections to that. There are different ways you can deposit. You see, buy with euro. Now you can literally buy crypto with fiat. Fiat simply means government issued money. If a government gives you their money, it's called fiat. Now you can buy with your Visa card, MasterCard, and JCB as supposed. So those of you who want to buy crypto with your card, you can use it. And another one is called the P2P. The P2P simply means peer-to-peer transaction, and it is a system where two people can exchange their assets. Now, let's say, for example, I have an orange and you have an apple. Now, if I want to get the way trade by barter system works is the same way P2P works. So I will call you, you give me your apple and I will give you my orange. And then we have exchange. So these people have made it very, very intelligently. There is something they call the escrow service. The escrow service is just like a basket where the two parties that are engaged in transaction will come and drop the asset. I'll drop my orange, you will drop your apple. And then that escrow service will lock up these assets in one place and now allow us to negotiate between us. Then when we finally come to consensus, we will come with a proof that yes, we have agreed between each other, so that one person will not go behind and steal and run away with it. Accountability must be there. So if you show proof that you guys have come to agreement, then it will be released. This one picks his on and then this one gets his on. So that's how P2P works. So you can consider that one. You can literally come with your money, fiat money. Mostly if you have somebody in your country that needs crypto and you have the country's money, you send him the money into his bank account and he releases the crypto on this platform for you. And then deposit EAR, deposit via bank transfer and top-ups. That is how it goes. So let's start by this. If we click on this, the first thing you're going to see is that you will have access to even change the currency you want. You see? Different countries' currency right here. A lot of them are here. So let's say, for example, I want to use the Kenyan shillings right here. This is the Kenyan shilling. Click on it. And I want to buy for 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Let's say 5,000 Kenyan shillings. You see, it will put in the value and then it will say I will receive so amount of USDT if I buy with Kenyan shillings. Click on next, and then it will allow me to make transfer, bank card, M-Pesa, different ways you want to do it. Now, look at this. It allows you to select the way you want to fund your account. So you can literally do that quite easily and straightforward. But the most surest way most of the time is to use the P2P. You see, P2P, click on it. If you click on peer-to-peer transaction, it will give you a myriad, or it will display different values or currencies according to how they are being purchased, and then the exchange rate that is currently going on that. So let me show you this. It is left on the Kenyan shillings right now. You see USDT, you see the amount, you see all payment methods. I'm going to take longer time explaining this because it's the best way for you to understand. So right here, if you come to this place where you see KES, it means the Kenyan shillings. You click on it, you can literally change it to your own country. Let's say the Nigerian Naira, NGN. See it, Nigerian Naira. Click on it, and then it will start displaying the price of the Nigerian Naira against the USDT. So you have two options, to buy or sell. If you're selling, you go to the sell option. If you're buying, you go to the buy option. So right here, you can put the amount that you want. It's easy for you to select it. Let's say I want to buy for 1 million Naira or 2 million Naira. All right. Then I'll click on confirm. So it will bring up the adverts of people that have up to that amount for me. So if I click on this, I will now select the kind of transaction I want here, but leave it for all. Let everybody be able to access it. Now, every kind of transaction. You click on OK. Now, another thing you must do is that you will see a lot of these eligible, uneligible, and all those stuff. Come to filter. Right here, can you see this filter where my cursor is? Now, right here, when you click on that, it will tell you to select either only eligible ads or only verified advertisers. There are advertisers that are verified, but it doesn't mean that those that are not verified are not good. It simply means that the ones that are verified are already verified by Bybit. There is a certain criteria and requirement to reach that. Now come to here where you see show eligible advertisements. Click on it and then click on confirm. All the ineligible will just disappear. So you will only have eligible. Can you see them right here? All right. So you can now decide to make purchase. So you look for the ones that have, you see percentage, and then the others, they have high number, and then the percentage is also good. For example, this guy, I click on buy. If I click on buy, I'll put the amount in fired. Now I'll say 2 million naira. All right. Then I'll click on buy. I don't want to click on buy because I'm not buying, of course. Then once you click on buy, if you click on buy, it will now display the account number of the person. You can chat him here, and then you will know when to send in the money. So you click on buy, the account number will be displayed. You take the account number, or you chat the person and tell him that you're going to make transfer now. Once you make transfer, then you will click on transfer made. The person confirms it, or he will ask you to send a receipt. There is a chat platform there where you can actually send receipt. Once you send the receipt, the person confirms, he releases the money, and the money will be sent into your funding account. Beautiful. I'm done with deposit. The next one is the withdraw. Click on withdraw. If you are withdrawing money from this platform, it's very easy also. Come to where you see USDT or whatever asset you're withdrawing. Click on USDT. Now, there is on-chain transaction and internal transfer. You might have heard me mention internal transfer. That means if you have another person that has a Bybit account and you are also a Bybit user, you can collect their email address or their mobile phone number that they used in registering Bybit, or their user ID. Then you put it right here. You see right here, you just put it. Well, let me go to user ID. You just put the user ID, and then you will be able to withdraw the exact amount you're withdrawing. Just put in, you see spot account, from the account you're withdrawing, the minimum account, and then send it to the person immediately. It's as simple as that, straightforward. Withdrawal is very easy. We talk about transfer. Transfer is in between the accounts. Remember, I told you that we have so many accounts, like the derivative account, the spot account, the funding account, and several others. Like you can see, funding account, spot, and derivative. So you can transfer from to this. Now, when I come to explain how to trade in the derivative market, you will see how to do this transfer. Is straightforward. Also, you send it there. Convert is the same thing by converting BTC to USDT, USDT to BTC. Straightforward. So these are all the basic things you need to know. I will come back to continue with the explanation, and then the next videos are going to be very short. This is the longest so far. It will just explain them in detail until when I show you how to literally take trade. It's just going to be a short and a brief course. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And then make sure you watch the next video that is displayed now.